Kalulushi is beautiful. Patterson is gorgeous. The environment will make your heart beat fast. This is an area where the rich hides, and this is the video that we are going to look at, the second video of Patterson area here in Kalulushi. Let me take this opportunity to appreciate each and everyone who've been coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please support me by subscribing to the channel and like this video. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Timothy Hara, the masterpiece, and today's video, guys, we are going to look at this area here in Kalulushi, which is so called the popular area. And guys, we are going to vlog in this area here in Kalulushi, which is called Patterson area here in Kalulushi. So enjoy this video. And please, if you are new to the channel, please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. You can see this is the residential area in Patterson. One thing about me is that I love nature. Nature is everything to me. If I'm surrounded by nature, then my heart goes and I feel like I'm somewhere. The nature speaks to me each and every day. I don't know why. Just feel that comfortability of being around the nature, and I feel like I don't know how I can explain it, but nature is my life. When you are coming from Pt2, you are coming to Kalulushi. There are a lot of beautiful buildings, I'm telling you. And it looks like it is a combination of one place, Pt2 and Kalulushi. But the only place that will take your heart is Patterson, this area where St. Michael's Parish is. This area up to Patterson buildings or Patterson shops there. I'm telling you, this is a gorgeous place. Guys, this is a place where the rich hides. Here in Kalulushi, you can see the surrounding, everything in this area is so beautiful, I'm telling you. Wow, I can see some beautiful, nice houses here, I'm telling you. This is so gorgeous. Kalulushi is beautiful, I'm telling you. Kalulushi is beautiful. So guys, you can see this is a beautiful area here in Kalulushi, and it's so amazing to see the grass, to see the flowers, to see a lot of the things that are looking blazing here. So this is one of the wonderful thing and one of the amazing stuff to be a vlogger. You got to discover new places, you got to discover where people live, you got to discover, to say the way I live, it's not the way other people lives. The way I enjoy this stuff, it's not the way these other people they really do enjoy. So as the world evolves or as the world moves, we need to caution ourselves to say people lives differently. Take a look at this. See how beautiful these people they are living here. These are rich people here. I cannot say they are poor people. No, they are rich people, because the house can tell. The house itself will tell you to say, look at this beauty. Okay, look at this beauty of that house. Look at it, that beauty of that house. You see? This is what I'm trying to talk about in this video. We need to learn to appreciate whatsoever that we have. We need to appreciate. The way I live, there are people who are living who are admiring my level. And the way those who are admiring my level, there are people who are admiring their level. And my level, I'm admiring the other people in a different way. You understand? So this is what I was trying to say, we need to appreciate what we really have. If we are not going to appreciate, then I'm telling you, we are not grateful. We are not grateful. So for those of you who doesn't know this area, you are in what do you call? You are in America, you are in UK, you are in London, you are in Canada, you are in different parts of the world. This is the area here in Kalulushi. Oh, Kalulushi Training Center. Let me show you. Kalulushi Training Center. This is, you see? Let me show you something. See. KATC, Kalulushi Training Center. 5 Dagama Shanshan Ukabeni Vaiva. So this is the area. This is where I am right now. You see? So it's one of the amazing place, and it's one of the beautiful place to vlog on. Yeah. So see, and take a look at this. Those to my houses there. Take a look at this. Those to my houses there. I'm going this way, but this is not where I am supposed to go. But I just want to show you some of the amazing places here. Amazing area. Yeah. Take a look at that. We're in Kalulushi, guys. We are in Kalulushi. Let me show you this beautiful house. Lion Queen School. This is where it is located, here in Kalulushi. Lion Queen School. Seems to be one of the beautiful schools. You can see this beauty of houses that we have here in Kalulushi, and I think this is where the rich people hide. I think this is where these people who are having something in their pockets, this is where they live. You can see there is even an upstairs house somewhere here. In this same office that you're seeing here, there's an upstairs house. Wow, it's cute. I'm telling you. Now there are maize cobs here, so you cannot see beyond this far. So, guys, this is the amazing view of what is happening here. The amazing view of the area here. You can see the beauty of this area. It's more than beautiful. I'm telling you, it's more than beautiful. And I love people who loves to live in this quietness. You can see the house is covered with these flowers. But when you go inside, or when you look at inside the house which is there, so good. So amazing, guys. So amazing to be here. So amazing. Because of you, I'm coming to these kinds of places. I want to say thank you. And guys, I just want to appreciate each and everyone who has been encouraging me to continue doing this work, who has been encouraging me to continue vlogging, who has been encouraging me to do what I'm doing right now. It has been some of the hard thing for me to travel, to just to bring out these kinds of content that I always bring out because of some income. Most of the videos that you've seen here on this channel, they are being funded by myself, by my business that I do. Most of you know the business that I always do. So the same business is the same business that funds these kinds of videos. I go places, I go to the nearby places, and those places that I can afford. Places that I can afford. If I cannot afford that place, then which means I just need to stay, live on my own, do the content that I do. Some of you say boring content. Let me do this kind, and there are people who loves this kind of boring content, and but a lot of you guys, you've been a blessing to me. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate. Thank you for the love. Thank you for every message that you send on my WhatsApp line. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. Your word is everything to me. I always live by your word. I always vlog because of you. So thank you so much. And guys, remember that we are trying to buy a new camera. We are trying to buy a DJI DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or 4, latest 4, or DJI Osmo Action 5 or latest 6. So if you guys, you can donate with the number that is on the screen. If you guys can donate with the number that is in the description box there, please, I will really appreciate for everything. Thank you so much, and stay blessed, stay glued to the channel. Watch my next video tomorrow. Thank you so much, and I'm out.